Obviously, you want to optimize your chances of beating cancer and keep it from coming back. Unfortunately, defeating cancer isn't a one-time battle, it's a lifelong effort. But the good news is there are simple things you can do to significantly decrease your chances of cancer recurrence. And in this video, I'm going to let you in on the two most important things to focus on. Number 1, reducing chronic inflammation, and number 2, strengthening your immune system. And the easiest and most effective way to do both of these things is to eat the right foods. In case you don't know me, I'm Sarah from Remission Support. I've been working in radiation oncology for over 17 years, and I've spent several years researching the strategies to support your immune system after cancer. And today I'm sharing the most effective ones. You see, having a strong immune system will help your body kill precancerous cells before they turn into cancer. And reducing inflammation will create a more favorable environment in your body to prevent cancer cells from developing or growing. So eating foods that optimize your immune system and reduce inflammation is key. I've already discussed the best ways to reduce chronic inflammation in other videos, which I will link for you below in case you haven't seen them yet. So in this video, I'm going to focus on which foods will help to support your immune system after cancer so that it's strong enough to keep you in cancer remission. Think of your immune system as your body's natural defense against cancer. If your immune system is weak, your body will have a harder time identifying and destroying precancerous cells. And you might be surprised to learn just how much what you eat impacts your immune system. So let's get right into 10 of the top foods to help you build immunity and fight cancer. Now this may be surprising, but the first food to add to your grocery list is plain old yogurt. Yogurt contains probiotics, which are good bacteria that will support your gut health. And a healthy gut is crucial for immunity because a large part of our immune system is located in the gut. Crazy, right? So eating yogurt or anything with live cultures can help you maintain a balanced gut microbiome. You see, we have both good and bad bacteria living in our gut that regulate a ton of different things, like your metabolism, digestion, and immune system. So if the amount of bad bacteria outnumbers the good, it creates systemic inflammation in your body, which can lead to several health conditions, including cancer. However, something really important to be aware of is that not all yogurt is healthy. And that's why I mentioned you should try to find plain yogurt because a lot of it contains a ton of sugar. And sugar does exactly what you don't want. It's known for breeding bad bacteria in your gut and weakening your immune system. So buy some plain yogurt and add some fruit to it to sweeten it instead. And if you don't like yogurt, you can also get probiotics from eating other foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, pickles, miso, kombucha, sour cream, or cottage cheese. Okay, moving on to food number 2 for an enhanced immune system. Citrus fruit. Oranges, lemons, limes, or grapefruits are all high in vitamin C, which, as you likely know, is great for helping your body fight off a cold or flu. This is because vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are key for fighting infections, but it's also a powerful antioxidant, so it helps to prevent your cells from the type of damage that can lead to cancer. And if you're thinking, perfect, there's vitamin C in my multivitamin, well, it may not be enough, and you'll absorb a lot more vitamins from the food you eat than any supplements. Citrus fruits aren't the only foods that are high in vitamin C. Other great sources are bell peppers, strawberries, kiwi, broccoli, and tomatoes. So as I just mentioned, eating sugar can weaken your immune system because it creates inflammation in your gut and can throw off your gut microbiome. So you may be wondering if eating fruit is okay because it does contain fructose, which is a sugar. But the thing with fruit is that it also contains a ton of fiber, which makes you digest it more slowly so it won't spike your blood sugar levels like refined sugar does. Speaking of high fiber fruit, food number 3 on our list to improve your immune system is berries. Berries of all kinds are all rich in antioxidants, which, as I mentioned before, help protect your cells from damage. But berries have 10 times more antioxidant power than other fruits and vegetables, especially dark berries, so that's why they're often called a superfood when it comes to fighting cancer. Eating just one handful of blueberries or blackberries a day can really improve your immune system and reduce your risk of cancer recurrence. So add some to your yogurt or keep some washed in the fridge so you can easily go in and grab some for a quick snack. Okay, food number 4, garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries as an antiseptic, antibiotic, and antifungal treatment because of its high sulfur content. So this means when we eat garlic, it can help our body resist and destroy viruses, and it does this by boosting your immunity. Now, most types of cancer treatment can do a number on your immune system, especially chemo or radiation therapy, making you more susceptible to illnesses. So working to rebuild your immune system after cancer treatment is essential. But the good news is that eating the foods we're talking about today is the best way to do that. My favorite way to eat garlic is in guacamole. I make it with avocados, garlic, chopped tomatoes and onions, and a squeeze of lime, which are all cancer-fighting ingredients. So the next time you're out for Mexican food, don't be afraid to pile on the guac. And something similar to garlic is ginger, which is food number 5 for your grocery list. Ginger has also been used for thousands of years to heal the gut. It's known to help with digestion, nausea, and actually works great for motion sickness. Ginger has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and those combined with the fact that it helps with digestion is really important after cancer because the healthier your digestive tract, the better you can absorb the nutrients from the foods you eat. And the more nutrients your body can absorb, the stronger your immune system will be. It's truly amazing how all of the processes in our body are all connected and affect one another, and this is why eating healthy food is so important for your overall health. Fresh ginger is great on sushi, but I like to put a few pieces of it in hot lemon water to sip on before bed. Okay, food number 6 on our list, believe it or not, is mushrooms. Certain mushrooms like shiitake, cremini, or portobello have been shown to boost the immune system because they contain selenium and something called beta-glucans. These compounds are really important because they activate your immune cells, allowing them to recognize foreign invaders, like cancer cells for example, and develop a stronger defense response against them. How amazing is that? Also, the high antioxidant content of mushrooms has led scientists to believe that they can help to prevent lung, prostate, and breast cancer. Now, I know that a lot of people don't like mushrooms. For some, it's the taste. For others, it's the texture. But I mean, because they don't have that strong of a taste, like onions, for example, if you don't like them, you can just try chopping them up very finely and throwing them into your soup or sauces. Okay, food number 7 to strengthen your immune system, also something you might find surprising, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support immunity. They're particularly high in vitamin E, and this is important because it's an antioxidant that supports the integrity of the cell membrane, which helps to protect them against oxidative stress. It's easy to grab a handful of almonds or walnuts as a snack, but seeds are sometimes a bit harder to incorporate into your diet. One way is to sprinkle them on salads or stir fries. For example, flax or sesame seeds are good for this. Or you can try making chia seed pudding for breakfast. In fact, I'll link a really good recipe for you below this video because chia seed pudding is a cheap and easy way to get in a ton of fiber and nutrients in the morning. Moving on to food number 8 for immunity and beating cancer is leafy greens. Now, I don't care if you don't like the taste of these. Spinach and kale are necessary after cancer for your cardiovascular and immune health. Dark leafy greens can make your blood more hostile to cancer cells because they're so good at reducing inflammation and lowering your blood pressure. There really isn't a better pill you can take that will bring you as many health benefits as eating dark leafy greens. Spinach and kale especially contain high amounts of vitamin A, and scientists are actually still trying to figure out the reason why vitamin A is so important for your immune system, but they believe it's because it affects your bone marrow production. And since your bone marrow produces immune cells like white blood cells, vitamin A may be the most important for strengthening your immune system. So to me, it's a non-negotiable. Everyone, especially cancer survivors, should be trying to sneak in more dark leafy greens into their meals starting today. Now, food number 9 on this list could have actually been number 1 because it's said to be the most powerful spice on the planet, turmeric. Now, I know I've talked about turmeric in several other videos now, but honestly, more and more studies are emerging to show how amazing this spice is because of its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. And as you know, this is extra important if you're trying to beat or prevent cancer. Now listen to this. The active ingredient in turmeric, called curcumin, has been shown to activate certain immune cells and modulate inflammatory pathways. So remember at the beginning of this video, I said that there were 2 really important factors in beating cancer and keeping it from coming back, which were reducing inflammation and strengthening your immune system. Well, turmeric can help you do both of those things. I would highly recommend trying to add turmeric to your diet every day or as much as possible. But by the way, if you like mustard, it contains turmeric. It's what gives it its bright yellow color, and it's low in calories, so it's much healthier than ketchup or relish, with both contain a ton of sugar. So try to make mustard your condiment of choice this barbecue season. Also, don't forget that your body absorbs the nutrients and benefits from turmeric more when it's combined with black pepper. So if you're going to take turmeric supplements, make sure to find one that does contain black pepper as well. But as always, please check with your doctor before taking any supplements. And last but not least, food number 10 isn't actually a food, it's a beverage, but it's green tea. The catechins in green tea can help to improve the response of your T cells, which are cells that attack viruses. And an increased amount of T cells is associated with an improved immune response. Just be aware that most green tea does contain caffeine, so maybe don't go crazy with it or have it too late at night. And there we have it, 10 of the top foods to add to your grocery list to strengthen your immune system and help your body fight or prevent cancer. I just want to say one more important thing to keep in mind, which is that these foods need to be eaten regularly for you to benefit from them. Unfortunately, it's not enough to just eat them once in a while. So try to find ways of incorporating them into your favorite meals, or find new recipes to add to your weekly meal plan. Just do whatever you can to get them in. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'm going to link a couple of videos for you to watch next on how to reduce chronic inflammation to beat cancer. Bye for now.